Hey everyone, today we're making a delicious chia mango pudding that's simple, refreshing, and perfect as a healthy breakfast or snack. If you've never made one before, don't worry because it's incredibly easy. So stick around until the end and let's make it together. We'll start by adding 1/4 cup of whole grain rolled oats into a glass jar. The oats help make the pudding more filling while adding extra fiber to every bite. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These tiny seeds may be small, but they're packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Once they absorb the liquid, they'll create the thick, pudding-like texture that makes this recipe so satisfying. Now pour in 1/4 cup of fresh milk. You can use any milk you like, whether it's dairy milk or your favorite plant-based alternative. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This part is completely optional, so feel free to adjust the sweetness to your own taste. Now it's time to add 1/4 cup of mango yogurt. This gives the pudding a rich, creamy texture while adding even more delicious mango flavor. Give everything a really good mix until all the ingredients are fully combined. Make sure the chia seeds and oats are evenly distributed throughout the jar so every bite has the perfect texture. Next, roughly crush 2 whole almonds and add them into the mixture. Almonds add a nice crunch while providing healthy fats, fiber, protein, and vitamin E. Now for my favorite part, fresh, ripe mangoes. Add plenty of sweet mango cubes into the jar. Not only do they make the pudding taste even better, but mangoes are also a great source of vitamin C, which helps support your immune system. If you'd like, you can also place a few extra mango slices on top to make it look even more colorful and appetizing. Once everything is ready, place the jar in the refrigerator overnight. This gives the chia seeds enough time to absorb the liquid and transform into that thick, creamy pudding texture we're looking for. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and we'll check out the finished result together. Good morning, and here it is. Our chia mango pudding is finally ready. You can see how the chia seeds have absorbed the liquid and formed that rich, gel-like texture. Everything has thickened beautifully, and the fresh mango on top makes it look even more refreshing. Now, it's ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try because it's simple, delicious, and packed with wholesome ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. If you make this at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.